Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Coach coming at you today. Well, Jock is on his way back from the Media Blaster. Chris called, said he just went to pick him up, and he's on the way. I had a basketball game this morning. My son had a video shoot with JR. Then we had a basketball game. Unfortunately, we did not beat the number 9 team in the state, DePaul Prep. So I was not able to go and pick up Jock, so Chris did that for me, and he is on his way to drop Jock off. He called me and said that there were some things of concern that needs to be replaced on the body or some parts. So I'll see what that is when he gets here. But overall, I think he said everything went well. Jock has been media blasted and E-coded. And he's coming back until Chris is done with the 73 Challenger. And then Jock will be going in for metal work. So I'll be bringing you that footage when Chris pulls up and when we are taking Jock out of the trailer. See you in a bit. Well, I'm back. Chris is pulling in right now. Be right back when we unload it.
It's still coming out.
Oh, yeah, we figured that much.
Yeah. If you want, you can break the rear ones loose. But you know what? Here, hold on. Let's do this first. Let's get these doors out.
Alright.
This is where you're going to break. Hit me up. He's like, yeah, let's go out to dinner. He took us over to Little Italy in Diamond. Got there, it was, I don't know, 8 o'clock. Had dinner, shit. We got out of there like 10:30. You know, it was a nice little place. We were just hanging out, having some drinks.
We took the girls there for their 21st birthday.
For Little Italy?
Yeah, we spent $700. But there were 20 people.
That ain't bad though. Because there were 6 of us. And we were $350. But we had chicken parmesan, big plate. You know, we all got big shit, the bigger orders, so everybody could try a little of this, a little of that. So it was good though. But then we ended up going back to Billy's place. And once we got to Billy's place, had a drink, had another drink. Next thing you know, he's like, dude, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. We're like, holy shit. then next thing you fucking know, it's 5:30 in the morning.
Damn.
And of course you're like, well, is it loose up front? No, it's about to be.
Okay. Should I push up a little bit?
Yeah, I'm gonna catch it real quick. You know, then before you know it, 5:30 in the morning, and then you're like, shit. Can't waste the whole day. Gotta get up and do stuff.
Yeah.
Filler's still on there, little bits, but then when you look at it, you're like, oh yeah, we'll sweat some of that out. We'll like the corners and shit. They're good. Pretty meticulous on how it was spraying.
I was expecting I did because I know how meticulous I am. I didn't think he was that meticulous.
So that was at least good to see that it was like, okay, he takes a little pride in his work.
Yep.
You could take, I don't know how good the other core support is.
Pretty good. I'll say it's good as a piece of shit.
We were looking up here.
No, I was looking right here. I just couldn't find it. I knew it was in here. I just fucking couldn't find it.
So it'll be your call. This is pegged out a little bit. We can cut from the other one and just stitch a piece because it doesn't need the whole thing. This is actually still pretty nice shocking in here. And then that piece will at least, yeah. We can either cut the top and stitch it in, or we can take the whole other piece.
Well, if I cut it, where am I cutting it? So Chris is explaining to me the parts that I could cut off of the donor car so that we can use on Jock. The aprons are both damaged, and it was easier to see once the media blasting process was done. Actually, both aprons need to be changed, but I'm not sure if I'm going to change both of them, the entire pieces, or just cut a piece off. Whatever is easier, more smoother, we'll go with that. So this is all he's explaining to me, is just parts that I could just cut off of the donor car. The donor car is really going to be helpful in this entire process. It was a great investment. So as we walk to the back of the car, we start going over some things to see if parts that I do have versus what I don't. Pretty sure I have everything back there that is needed. If I haven't bought it new through Moparts in Roseville, Michigan, I should be able to use it off the donor car. So that's pretty much what we're doing, is just kind of brainstorming what parts are good, what parts need to be replaced, if parts from the donor car will help, or do I have it already, or do I need to order it? So that's what we're doing basically on the back of the car. Same thing we did with the front. So he's back. When you get this stuff done, as Chris would say, when the clothes are taken off, you see all the imperfections and a lot of things that need to be fixed that you didn't know needed to be fixed. And we got a lot of that. So just to take a little short look, you know, you got damage here, needs to be fixed or replaced. This whole side's probably needs to be changed. This side's not too bad, just a little piece here. But overall, it didn't come out great like I said it would. He used black epoxy, which, hey, I'm good with that. I'm okay with that. But Han did a really good job. Fenders. Disappointment on the doors. I don't know if you heard it earlier. The new quarter comes up about here, so that'll be fixed. But the door, I bought these doors out at Larry's, and this door was hit, damaged pretty bad. That's the driver door. This one, pretty fair. Overall, they're clean doors. Just, you know, it was hit, it was fixed. And, you know, once the blasting took place, the problems were uncovered. So there's a lot of work to do, but a little bit at a time. And that's it for the day, y'all. Those parts are going up under the B, so my mother can get her truck in here. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Turn the notification bell on, so next time I post a video, you will know about it. Till then, this is Coach at Untouchable Customs. Holla!